In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize horizontal line styling in your custom CSS editor using Chrome. To get started, open your website's custom CSS workspace and make sure you're in the code editor area where you can enter style rules. If you're using Chrome, this process is especially straightforward because the editor is easy to access and work with. The goal here is to adjust the appearance of horizontal rule blocks on your site so they better match your design style. Once you're inside the custom CSS editor, go to the input area and type in the CSS rule exactly as needed for the horizontal line block. The code targets the horizontal rule element used by the site and applies a custom background color along with a specific thickness. You'll enter a rule that sets the horizontal line color to red and changes its height to 4 pixels. This is useful if the default divider line looks too thin or doesn't fit the visual branding of your page. As you enter the code, pay attention to the structure. The selector identifies the horizontal rule block, and the declarations inside the curly braces control how that line will look. The background color property changes the visible color, and the height property increases the thickness of the line. The important tag is included to make sure these custom styles override the default platform styling, which can be helpful if your changes don't appear right away. After entering the CSS, take a moment to review it for any typing mistakes. Even a small missing character, such as a bracket or semicolon, can prevent the style from working correctly. If you want a different look, you can replace the red color code with another hex color value that fits your site design. You can also increase or decrease the height value depending on whether you want a more subtle divider or a stronger visual separation between sections. When everything looks correct, click Save. This will apply the CSS changes to your site. After saving, it's a good idea to preview the page where your horizontal line appears so you can confirm the new styling looks the way you expect. If needed, you can return to the editor and fine-tune the color or thickness until it matches your design perfectly. That's it. You've successfully updated the styling of your horizontal rule block using custom CSS in Chrome.